Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on, and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to reset radios. Next, check that date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect time breaks Google sign-in. Restart the device to refresh background services. Once it boots, go straight to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store. Force stop and clear cache so the store can re-establish a fresh connection and retry. Once the basic reset is done, clear Google Play Services cache and storage because Play Services handles authentication and sync. Clearing forces it to rebuild. Then remove and re-add your Google account to refresh tokens and permissions, which often resolves authentication failure. Make sure to reboot after these changes. If problems persist, connect to another Wi-Fi or use your phone as a hotspot. This determines whether the issue is your ISP or the device itself and guides the next fix. To finish, update Google Play Store and Play Services. If the store won't update, sideload the latest APK from a trusted source to repair broken binaries. If updates don't help, reset network settings to clear bad DNS or proxy entries, back up personal data, and only then consider a factory reset. If you still see no connection, change your router DNS to 8 and test another device on the same network. This single troubleshooting tip tells you whether.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.